Good morning, my dear Patreons. I hope you will watch this short video. I shared with you all those, not all those. Some here are images which I don't like, so I didn't share them. But most of these images I shared on Patreon page, and I wanna show you how to print them very quickly. And it's you can apply it on any images you've got in your computer. So if you will choose, because some of these images are really large, like those tags, like this oval here, and if you will wanna print them smaller, any of these images. Now I'm going to work with left button on my mouse, and I will hold here on that keypad. You've got Ctrl, this one. Just hold it with your finger, that Ctrl, hold it, and with your mouse, move on image you wanna choose and click on it. Move on another you wanna choose and click on it. You can choose this way many images you like, any images you like. So I'm gonna choose some of these images. Once they are like this, or if you have row, this way you can choose separately images. Or I'm gonna click it off. Just click somewhere. I'm gonna click it off, not you. Come on, lady. Or you can do it with holding finger on that left button, and then move this way. And I'm gonna show you what it's doing. When you're moving and holding that left button on your mouse, it's grabbing images. And then left that button on your mouse, and as you can see, all those images are like under blue or over the blue. Once you have chosen your images you wanna print out, click on right button on your mouse. Make sure you have this mark from your mouse, that moving mouse mark on that blue, somewhere on that blue of those images you choose. Click that right button and it will open you something like this, and somewhere you will have print. Click on that print and it's supposed to show you something like this, some options. Here on right side, pardon me, here on right side it's are options how you would like to have those images on one page, on one printing page. So here it's automatically show you one image on page. If I will choose two images on page, it will grab two of images you choose and will put them on one page. If I will move down, I've got here 4 images, so it will put those images to 4 pictures. Here, if you have in your computer some images, they are maybe different shape, different size, and computer always resize them somehow, but you can choose here, zoom, fit picture to frame. You can choose it this way, and it will like zoom images, that image will spread to that frame. So sometimes it cuts edges of that images. If you will click it off, that you will don't have that mark there, it will make the image in a size you can see on your computer. So you will be not having problems with cutting edges of that image. And then if you choose, here you've got 9 images, and it will always put them together to that spread you want. That's why I gave you full images without putting them on page in this size, this small sizes, because I wanted to give you those options. Maybe sometimes you will want those tags really small, like those oval tags. I'm gonna show you, like those oval tags. If you will choose those 5s, click right side of my mouse, click print, and it shows you the picture, I will choose that I want them smaller, like 4 on my page, and it will print you 4 those tags on that page. I will choose that I want them more smaller because I want them like decoration. So it will show you that it will be printing really smaller. Or if you wanna put them on tag, on small tags, like small tags, like small picture, here on the bottom it's 35 images. Yeah, 35 images on one sheet. So if you will click on it, it will make those images teeny mini small. So this way you can print any image in your computer. I hope this will help. That's why I gave you those images in that full size. And I'm working now on chess. So this is my first trying, and when I will be done, I will definitely upload them as well. So be prepared. I'm working on a chess, and I hope they will match also with those old, some of those old tags and those images. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helping. This way I also print those frames, that I choose those frames this way. I clicked on them, right side of my mouse, click print, and then I choose you can print them large one. This will be in size, I think 5 by 7, I think 5 by 7, if I remember that right. But if you will choose here 2 frames, 2 images on a page, it will make them smaller. You can also choose a really small one like this, and that's what I have. No, this is 2 images. This one is 2 images on one sheet of paper. So this is size of 2 images on one sheet of paper. So this way. Thank you so much for watching. If you will have any problem, please let me know, and I will do my best to show you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your support. I appreciate that so much, really. So take care about yourself, and see you next time. Bye.